So this is the convenience of having your packages brought up to you. You have room service, dry cleaning. Everything will be put individually into your private space. And then when you're finished or when you're sending down the room service, it disappears. They come and take it away. So there's never anything outside in the corridors, no mess. It just is all sort of tucked away nicely and privately. This can also, your apartments can also be fobbed or keyed for if you have a dog walker coming in, if you have housekeeping coming in, and all those services. That also for security purposes, they can have it keyed for when during certain times. So this is a model of one of the split 2-bed, 2.5 bath residences. It's the 12 line, 1567 square feet. So please come in. And this is facing west towards Oak Park Avenue. And if we were looking down, we would see the Spirit of Achievement right below us to activate. Jean-Louis Denoy has done the interiors. He is an AD designer. He's a top 100 AD designer. He was chosen for his work and for the way he's working with clients all over the world. But the idea is that he is putting these all together with the charm. He has a lot of, he brings a lot of French art deco inspiration. No, you're all the same. So you get upper cabinets will be the full white lacquer, and then the lower will be the diagonals. This is typical with one side. Or
The size.
the size will vary based upon the layout.
The layout and the unit size.
Exactly. Some of them are not
Open kitchen.
open kitchen. Some of them are separate.
The eating space?
On the higher, bigger apartments.
Correct. On bigger units.
Right. But some of them are separate.
Look, you can let us know what they're looking at specifically. Like you said, there's 125 different layouts. We'll find something in there.
Exactly.
What is the availability?
Well, just for any of those who